Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a kind of a dresser, but built into the trailer. We got a bottom one that's quite large for shoes and whatnot, and then the rest will be for clothes. We're going to put some white 1/8 plywood on the top, and then we will take our router and router out all the openings. I know you didn't see me build this, but yeah, it's just 2x2 framing, depending what size you need it and support. Yeah, we'll get that plywood on and then we'll get it in the trailer, and I'll try and show you guys a little more. Okay, we got that face on, routed it all out so it's nice one piece. Never done that before and it worked out really well. Left a little piece in here so there's no gap. Got all our shelves. And then I'm going to try and use my backsplash, see if I got a big enough piece I could put over here. But now we're going to start working on our piece over top here and then just tying everything together. Okay, working on the cabinets above the counter space. That open area will be for my new spot for my control panel rather than on the side of the lower portion. Just gonna put the bottom on, router that out, put my puck lights in. That'll hook up to my last open switch, which are again 12 volt. Sorry, you're just getting pictures as I go. It's a lot of filming and I don't have a lot of time. We have the above counter cabinets in. Right there will be my control panel. I got my 3 puck lights in. Wires are all above. They'll just run to this panel right here. Got kind of my, I don't know if you call it armoire or cabinet, is in, mounted, screwed to the floor. So that's it for today. Next I'll get the shelves all put in, and then the end cap and the doors put on everything. Make sure you keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome back. Just wait for the camera to adjust the light. You know, you saw me building these cupboards. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show the entire build. And I'm not done painting it. You can see the little green paint on there. So those will all be painted white. But overall, they turned out amazing. So we added some backsplash right there and the baskets. Nice little touch. We also added under cabinet lighting. We also moved the control panel up here. So you turn that on. Solar panel's running right now. Obviously a water pump. Under cabinet lighting. This is for the diesel heater, and I just noticed this. I gotta fix that still. This is for the USB socket up here, so none of this is running until I hit a switch. And then this last one is the under cabinet lighting. I'm just coming back here so you can see it. So it looks really nice. Turn that off. Okay, cabinets. Just came back from camping, but all on gas struts and all lined. You can see I put this in the top too, so it's not sitting on these lights underneath. And for right now, this is free floating. Got a magnet here with a piece of metal right here. So when we close it, it just holds it shut while we're driving. Same thing with this one. Pull it up. And a gas strut on this side too. And there's no end in it. I just put a block over here. But just to hold everything in. There's the upper cabinets. I moved my inverter switch up here, way easier to get to. Before we had to reach around the cabinets to get to all this. So this is much better. And then coming around here. So there's magnets on all these. I don't know if you can see it up top there. And then we added bins with an anti-slip mat all the way down to our shoe storage at the bottom. And I use the router to router this all out so it's all one piece. So basically you lay your sheet on, drill a hole in the middle or close to the side, and then you router out your squares, which makes it a nice one piece front there. And that was with I believe it was 1/8 ply, which I used also on the front here. Just so you can see the side. I know it's kind of dark, but there's my diesel heater control, which I extended. If you're wondering how to extend a diesel heater, I will try and post a video of that at some point. So there's the front, and I made all of these. These are the existing cabinets. All the way to the front, and I moved my 120 power to the bottom there. So you guys can see that. It's my 120 power right there. So if I plug into the house or the generator, I would use that outlet. Otherwise, most of the time, I would use this outlet, which plugs right into the inverter, which is really good because this is where we're always charging stuff, and it has USBs on the side. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you liked the cabinets. I know you guys didn't get to see the build, but I tried to put what I could as I went along. It was kind of a rush because we were going camping, so I really had to get it done, and filming wasn't my priority. But I hope you liked them. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Please hit the like and subscribe, and keep watching for more videos. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next one.